Do you know what is happiness? Happiness is waking up every morning knowing that you do what you love.
A huge change. A lot of people really understand and love our vision. We are here to succeed.
Who of you wants to achieve their goals?
Better, wiser, stronger. Better, wiser, stronger.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow.
We have the most beautiful opportunity on the planet.
Create the fire inside you.
This company created a movement, a momentum.
These are our dreams, and we will not stop before they are achieved.
Tomé la decisión de que las cosas iban a ser diferentes.
Это все про вас. It's all about you.
We have in our hands a huge chance to change people's lives.
Live your dream and wear your passion. Go for your next goal.
El verdadero network marketing es crear relaciones.
The future is more bright than you ever could believe.
Success Factory!
It's about looking the people in the eyes, having the vision and the mission.
There's no competition for our company because nobody does what we do.
Contagia la visión.
This feeling, this burning desire because you want to change your life.
All is real.
This business is all about excitement and energy.
And we can all impact the world together.
So remember, it's all about you.